In this video, you will learn how to fix ChatGPT account has been deleted or deactivated. Step 1. Confirm the error message. Check the exact message shown when you try to log in so you can understand the issue better. Check your email for notifications. Look for any emails from OpenAI explaining why your account has been deleted or suspended. Try password resets or re-login. Attempt to reset your password or sign in again to rule out any login errors. Contact OpenAI support. Visit the OpenAI Help Center, then submit a support request about your account. Verify account information. Provide your registered email and any relevant details when contacting support. Wait for account recovery or account review. Allow time for the support to review your case and respond with the next steps. Now you know how to fix ChatGPT account has been deleted or deactivated. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.